Hey, welcome back to Great Day. Let's face it, we would all love to get a makeover in our bathroom, right? But who really wants to put up with all the hassle? Well, there's a solution for that. And joining us now is Rachel Berbeles with Bath Fitter. And we thank you for coming on Great Day, Rachel. Good to see you.
Good to see you too. Thanks for having me.
Are you in your bathroom?
I am, with everything going on, I thought what better way to showcase our product than to show you mine.
That makes a lot of sense, actually. So a lot of people have seen the Bath Fitter commercials over the time, and you've been on the program before. Tell us a little bit about the process that a client would go through with Bath Fitter.
So it starts with a free in-home consultation where we send out our sales guys to really talk the customer through what they want done in their specific space. What's great is it is all customizable. So for me, I'm going to talk a little bit about what I chose. I have a soaker style tub, and previously to this, my home was built in the 50s. So I had a fiberglass wall and an old steel tub that was actually rusting at the bottom. So when I had my estimate, we went over the different ideas of what could be done with the space. And I chose to go with white. And I got a brand new soaker style tub, which is a bit deeper than a traditional tub. And I picked a white wall with a little bit of texture to it and some privacy shower glass doors. And during that estimate, the salesperson goes through every option that we offer. So whether you would want a walk-in shower or a tub over tub, we utilize the existing space in the customer's home. So there's not any large demolition. And because it is custom made, installation is a breeze. We roll out green or blue rugs, so we never actually walk on the customer's floors. We take home all the debris with us. So all you're left with is a brand new bath fitter and after service, which I feel is what really sets us apart from our competitors or other people in the bathroom industry, is the way that we treat their customers. We're one phone call away where our installers would come out for a service call and really take care of anything that could potentially happen with the tub and shower area of your bathroom.
You said on day of install, in and out, right? No muss, no
Yes.
fuss.
And I still went to work. I wasn't home during installation. I stopped home to take a peek at what they had going on. And from the time I came home on my lunch break to when I got home from work, the transformation was unbelievable. I couldn't believe this was my actual
I'll bet.
bathroom. It looked so much brighter and I couldn't be happier.
That's
So,
awesome. Rachel, thank you so
yeah.
much. You can call 636-680-1942, 636-680-1942, or visit bathfitterstlouis.com to start your bath fitter experience today.